Hi guys, today I would like to show you how to edit text message on your iPhone. So at first, let's open messages, then go to the message that you would like to edit, and now all you have to do is to tap on it, hold it for a while, and then click on edit. Now you can smoothly make the changes. Tap on a confirmation mark. And that's it. As you can see, it has been edited. And then whenever you wish to see the history of your changes, just tap on edit it. And at the top, with a bit blur, you will notice the previous version and then the current one. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.